Hello. In this exercise, we will be creating a program using an open profile. The first thing that we will do is create our profile figure. I will go to my preparation menu and profile figure. The main difference between our closed profile and our open profile is that we will be selecting a lead off to position. So first, I'll go ahead and uncheck lead on to nearest, and I will select my start hole position. Because my start hole is going to be off of my block, I can actually select any position out here in open space. Do keep in mind, we try not to set a start hole position that leads straight on to our profile. Okay, so we always want to select a start hole location that is at some sort of an angle to our lead on position. So I'll just click out here as my start hole position, and then my on profile will be here at the end of this. Also keep in mind that your start hole position and lead off to position cannot be directly on your profile. Next, we will select our lead off to position. I will select that over here. And then, once again, I'll uncheck this and then select my lead off, my on profile. End of this. And then next, I'll select my lines and arcs. I will use my chain so that I can link all of the lines together, and then in command. The PEPS OptiCam software will always ask you if the figure is open and if this is correct. So in this case, yes, this is correct, so we will tell it yes, and then it will complete our profile figure. I'll go ahead and click done, and then I'll go ahead and create my machining. I'll go to standard profile again, and then I'll create my billet. Check all my pages, make sure all the numbers are correct. And then I get to my standard profile. So once again here, I'll go ahead and select my figure. I'll go ahead and select some technology. And then I'll go to my setup. The main difference between our closed profile and our open profile will be in our offset. Here, because this is an open profile, you will need to designate what side of the profile you are cutting on. In our case, we will be cutting on the left side. And then click OK. All right. You also may notice our start hole point and our lead on to our profile are designated with a blue point, and our lead off is designated with a red point. So after you've created your profile and your machining, it should look something like this. If you have any questions, please contact support@optisolutionsUSA.com.